Hi everyone, I'm Joel from Joel Hood Property, and today I'm at apartment 6 at number 12, First Avenue in Coolum Beach. Being one of just 7 apartments, this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom residence has had recent updates and it's ready for the new owner to simply move in and enjoy. My favourite feature of the property is the expansive, exclusive rooftop deck, perfect for sunset drinks and taking in the fireworks. It's rare to find an apartment walking distance to local shops and the beach with an exclusive rooftop terrace and ocean views in this price bracket. I highly recommend you come and see the apartment for yourself. For those interstate and overseas, we're more than happy to walk you through the apartment virtually. I'm Joel Hood and I look forward to meeting with you soon.